This is the Thread and Leather Wrap Wallet. It makes cash look super cool and super accessible. Watch the review. There's not much to open with this wallet. What we're looking at here is how it came. We have a nice business card in here from the company, but this is the wallet. It's from a company called Thread and Leather Company, and they call this the Wrap Wallet. If you can see how this functions here. This is the spruce green color. So let's actually take a review of the features of this particular wallet. Okay, what we have here is a slot on the right-hand side. This is where cards are inserted in here. Underneath here is a slot which will show you where cash can be inserted, and the cash actually resides and flops over the top as it's underneath here. Thus you have this open spot in here. Over on here is where you have an ID slot, and you can get a number of cards there. If you flip this over, you'll notice that on the outside there is a quick access thumb slot here for additional cards. Now with how this functions is that you have cash that's inserted in here, you fold it over like this, fold it over like this, and that is the wallet and how it functions. And so on the outside, you do have your quick access slot here, and really targets cash over anything else. Cash has been woefully ignored, I think, in trying to find a good solution for that, since most people have moved towards cards. Now let's get into the cash and card insertion test with this. The company says you can put upwards of 10 cards, which we tried outside of recording, and it didn't really work out that fantastic. However, it is leather and it can stretch. And we did comfortably get 10 slips of cash in there and the wrap, and you could see, and you saw how that functioned and how it rested in the wallet. And as you saw, it provided easy access to each of the pieces of cash, each denomination you're looking for. You could flip through this and be able to find the one you want and get where you wanted to see. So you can see that the website mentions you can get up to 15. We had 10. I think that's fine. So I'm confident that over time, as the leather stretches, it will accommodate more. The quality is great, and the design was very thoughtful. It comes in 7 different colors. You can choose the color of the thread you want, which is a waxed linen thread, and it is saddle stitched, which is a very solid stitch with 2 back stitches for strength. It is vegetable tan. It is vegetable tan leather. It's a goat skin. Or kid skin if you prefer. It's full grain, and it's used in bookbinding. And if you look at this very closely, here, you can tell that this is very, very thin. Let's try this and see. Let's see what we get here. This is so thin, I don't know if this is 0.019 inches, so this is very thin. And it looks like it could tear, but it won't, because it's very durable. It's used in books. The leather comes from a centuries-old tannery in New York, which originated in Germany. They use lasers to cut the openings in this so it has exactness to it, which is a wonderful idea due to the thinness of the leather, and it is handmade in the United States. This was designed for cash. So cash has had very little attention in design in the past, and so this is a clever way to approach a very neglected aspect of wallet design. The wallet is priced at $79. That's a bit on the higher end, but it does accommodate the quality of the materials and that it's handmade in the United States. If we talk about other potential options which could affect price and lower it for people, there could be an option to have this be machine sewn instead of hand sewn. Companies like Rustico, for example, provide that option in your purchase, and if you get a machine sewn, it's less money. The company has been selling only this design since they began on Kickstarter in 2013. The measurements of this is 3 7/8 inches by 2.5 inches by 1/4 inch thin. It's only a 1/2 inch longer and maybe 3/8 of an inch wider than an actual credit card that you'd put in here, and it's 1/8 inch narrower than a dollar bill when it's wrapped up inside here. So the space is very tight, and really, that's with the thin leather that's there, it makes it a real premium. Now, if cash isn't something you carry, then you'll find the space underutilized and lacking in this wallet because of the center section right here that's totally unused. But if you want to purchase this wallet, you have to go to their website, which is in the notes below, because that's the only place you can find it. The site links are, of course, in the resources below. Now, with that, let's get into the review of this wallet. The quality is a 4. We're going to give that a 4 for features as well, as it's designed primarily for cash and it does that very well. It's very clever. Pricing will be a 2 because it's a bit expensive and they can provide a more inexpensive option. Usability is a 4 and our perception of it overall is a 3. The final score is 3.5 out of 5 or 35 out of 50. Thank you for watching our review of the Thread and Leather Wrap Wallet. If you have any questions or any comments, please put them in the comments below. Please subscribe, ring the bell, look at these other videos here, and let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate it. Thanks, bye.